So these are our latest developments on our music reviews project. Here you can see our MQTT script that is complete here. So here you can see the review, artist, song name, album price, date of review, the flow, the comments, and pretty much everything you'd need on a music reviews site. Everything you need here, and this is the MQTT for it. Hopefully you can see it properly. And I'm going to look at the HTML script now. So we have developed developed a sample website for what we want our page to look like as well. So I'm going to open it here and show you. So here we go. Here is our sample website of what we basically want our website to look like. So here we have our music reviews, best place for hottest hits, and we have our sidebar here just to go to whichever page the user would like to, and we have our introduction here, basically telling us what we want to do with this site. Subscribe now. You can subscribe to the newest music lists, etc., etc. So here we have our different albums we can look at, and as well we can look at different albums that have been recently released as well. Music that's not fully complete yet, and you can a contact page as well where users can type in their name or email and send emails to the website as well. And that's basically what we have for our music reviews sample website. So we showed you this is our script for the MQTT, not the MQTT website, the sample website. So here, this is our HTML script for it, and there is plenty of it. And this is our MQTT script, as I showed you already, our complete MQTT script. And I'm going to go to our Azure DevOps and show you that this has already been uploaded to our Azure DevOps page. So we hope to complete this soon enough. We've been working very hard on it, and that's all that we have to show you. We showed you the MQTT script here, and the HTML script for the sample website, and what our sample website looks like as well, and also our Azure DevOps. So that's basically all we have to show you, and thank you for watching.